Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be telling you how you can change your location on Roblox. So firstly what you need to do is you need to open up your web browser and you're going to type in roblox.com slash support. Now you're going to fill in all of the details, first name, email address, and then you're going to confirm your email address. And then in the issues detail you're going to select PC. Then in the help category you're going to select how to, and then over here you're gonna select how to change my location, and then you're gonna type in I need to change my Roblox account's location to whatever the location you want to change it to, and then you're gonna click on continue after you have filled out everything, and then they will probably respond to you in about 1 or 2 days and they will tell you how to do it. That's basically the only way how they can change your Roblox location. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.